ran out of buckets, Beto? Wait, don't use that. Don't use the hammer drill. Alright. Hold it. We're gonna use a different hammer drill right there. Yeah, leave that one alone. Leave that one alone. Yeah. A flat bit, no. Hey, Rick. See if you hit this one real quick. I'm not letting it. Where we at? Let's see what I'm doing. He said he don't want to see you fucked up. That's messed up, dog. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button. You go, Rick. Let's go eat, Rick. I'm hungry. Home it. Yeah, home it. Hey, Jake, this is your side right here. Everything past that point is from the other side.
Basically, he's saying that left side of the circle right here.
It goes
right
immediately right here.
Right there.
Right side versus okay.
You know what I mean?
He's talking about circles like your side.
So you're talking about if it's on the left side.
Yeah, we go directly right here, right away. And then the ones that are further away, we walk them further away. You better go to lunch.
I'm gonna stay.
Huh?
I'm gonna stay.
You gotta keep going?
I got sleeping at like 3.
What time are you leaving at?
1:30.
Okay. So in about an hour.
Yeah.
Just make sure you be careful, okay?
It's 11:30. I mean 12:30. All right.
Hey, any you take off, put them right here.
Well, here's the situation I got right now. We got no buckets. So I'm gonna go down. Let's load up the lift, and then I'm gonna send you up buckets again. You keep cleaning, and then whenever you're done cleaning, if you still got time, then you start demoing. All right. I'll meet you down there. I mean, I'll be down there. Just I'm gonna whenever you hear the lift come up, just start taking buckets over there.